it's Miss Mesha from the Augusta-Richmond County Public Library, and this month we're going to talk about 5 easy tips that can help maintain your natural hair during the summer. If you're ready to get started, let's go. Tip number 1, moisture, moisture, moisture. Your hair needs moisture, especially in the summertime. During the summer months, at night or during the day, try to spritz your hair when your hair feels a little dry or brittle. You can even carry around a small water bottle just in case. During summer months, make sure to moisturize your hair as often as you need, especially if you live in very hot climates. Tip number 2, protect your hair from the sun. The sun's UV rays can damage your hair, especially if you're outside for a long time. If you think you're going to be outside for a long time, find a cute scarf or hat to protect your strands. You can also use a leave-in conditioner with SPF to protect your hair and your scalp. Tip number 3, saturate your hair before you go swimming. You can saturate your hair with oils to protect your hair while swimming. The oils will protect you from chlorine or salt water, which can be very damaging and drying to your strands. If you go swimming often, try to incorporate a protein treatment to your routine to help keep your hair strong and beautiful. Tip number 4, skip the heat tools. Heat tools and the combination of the sun can damage your hair greatly. Once or twice a month, try to skip the flat irons, the hot combs, and the blow dryers. It is also sometimes hard to maintain straight hair during the summer due to the humidity or the heat. So try out different protective styles. Popular protective styles during the summer include buns, braids, even wigs. You can do updos, cornrows, and twists. Tip number 5, drink plenty of water. If you are dehydrated or if your body's dehydrated, your hair will become dehydrated too. So drinking water will be like taking care of your hair from the inside. Most doctors recommend people drinking at least 64 ounces of water a day, which is 8 glasses of water or 2 32-ounce water bottles. I hope you enjoyed this 5 tips for summer, and I hope they help. Let me know if you used any, and let me know if you have any other tips. Until next time, bye-bye.